says my device is up to date. So basically, I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak your device. This does not require like a computer or anything like that. We're going to go ahead and go into settings now, mate, and go ahead and click general. We're going to go ahead and click on background app refresh. Make sure this is set to Wi-Fi data. Now, you need to change this setting so your device will be compatible for the installation. Alright, we're going to click back, go back to settings here. And you want to go ahead and look for battery. Now, if you guys have low power mode enabled, make sure just to turn that off. Right there, low power mode, just go ahead and disable that. And what we're going to do now is go back to settings now and click on App Store. Now, this is essential that you do change this setting right here. It says automatic. Make sure that is enabled. A lot of my subscribers were having issues, so you need to make sure that is enabled. Now, we're going to go ahead and go to our internet browser. We're going to go to this website right here. It's called Unc0ver.cc, but the O is a 0. So it's Unc0ver with a 0 in the middle. And Unc0ver.cc. I will be putting the link in the description if you guys have any questions. Now, once you guys get on the site, just go ahead and click Jailbreak. And it will start jailbreaking your device instantly. Go ahead and click Allow. It will start, putting the jailbreak tool on your device. So go ahead and click Close. And once you install it, you just want to go into settings here. And you're going to see, it's going to say there's like a profile or something like that. So just go ahead and install the profile. It is completely safe. You guys will see in the video. Go ahead and click Install. So let's go ahead and click the Install button right here. And then just go ahead and type in your passcode. I'm going to go ahead and just hide mine really quick. And we're going to go ahead and click install once again. This is the easiest part to install the jailbreak, so you guys don't have to worry, you don't have to jump through hoops or anything like that. We're going to go to our home screen here, and you're going to see instantly it says Unc0ver is on your home screen. Now, this is the tool which will jailbreak your device. It'll install Cydia, it gets all the files ready and everything. And you just need to go ahead and click the jailbreak button. Now, it's going to ask if you're sure if you want to jailbreak your device. It is completely safe, and it is reversible as well. So if you guys jailbreak, you could always uninstall it later. And yeah, you guys can see it is it's extracting all the files, getting it ready for your device. And this is working even on iPad as well. So if you guys have an iPad or like an older iPhone, this will work for you. So yep, it is installing all the files. Just wait for it to finish, and that's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You will now see Cydia on your home screen. So I'm going to go ahead and close out. It should be done with the download, so just give it a few seconds here. And it's downloading the Cydia application. Now, let's wait. That is right there. It is downloading Cydia. Now, once you do have this on your device, it is jailbroken. And yeah, you can go ahead and start installing like packages and stuff like that. I will be showing you guys a few of my favorite ones in my next video. But yeah, let's go ahead and just load up into Cydia. And yep, we are in the official Cydia application. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And let's go ahead and just install a package really quick just to show you guys it is legit and everything. And a lot of the like Cydia downloads now are like kind of laggy, but this one is very quick. So I'm going to go ahead and download the Lotus package really quick. This one is one of my favorites. So yeah, let's go ahead and just click the install button. And yep, it will download it like close to instantly. So let's go ahead and click confirm. And yep, it is downloading Lotus. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. And making more tutorials like this in the future. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, see you guys.